We're into the Pear Deck. Today is the 10th of September, and we are in essentially week 3 of biology. And what you are looking at together with us on the Pear Deck is the Living Together video worksheet and the how-to. Some of you may have started already to watch some of these videos and to figure out how to do this form. Bless you. But there is a link that is at the top, which in your Google form will actually take you to the video link. You're going to watch that video. As you're watching the video, you're going to be filling in a data table. And the data table you're going to be filling in is going to be asking you about different organisms that you see in the video, and then the relationships that those organisms have with each other. So, for example, if you were to have had the video where you saw the bee and the flower, one organism would be the bee, another organism would be the flower. You would then say, well, how does that relationship work between a bee and a flower? And we're trying to use the vocabulary from ecology, so we would say it is a mutualism or a mutualistic relationship. If you're not sure what those are, Mrs. Mangle posted to our Google Stream a little help for this video lesson which defines all the different relationships. She's got it all typed out for us, and that's open to everybody to be able to use. So Mrs. Mangle, thank you very much for that. In the other columns of the data table, so here's your data table. Organism 1 would be the bee. Organism 2 would be the flower. The relationship would be mutual because both of them are benefiting from that relationship. The effect for the bee is that the bee gets food, pollen from the organism, from the flower, and the relationship for the flower, or the effect, would be that it gets pollinated so it can reproduce. Now, having said that, and for video record, you'll notice that there are 9 columns or 9 rows that you have to fill in. If you have already done all 9, awesome. I'm giving you 5 extra credit points. If you are working through it, 5 is the number. Kate, put that away, please. Nope. There we go. That's a very strong odor. So then if you do 5, we're calling that complete. You're good, all set. If we do less than that, then you're not quite there. But if you can get 5 of those rows filled in, excellent. If you fill all 9 of them in, extra credit for you. Okay? So that is because I was looking at that and I was watching through the video. And I was like, well, you know, when I first thought it was pretty straightforward, and then it's taken a little bit longer than it needs to be. That video is 49 minutes long. You can probably, after about 25 minutes, we're probably pretty well set. So that gets us to the point of what we're trying to accomplish. Excellent. That is the short video. I'm going to stop it.